Hi everybody, welcome back. This is going to be a real quick video just to give you my entry into the artillery group build. So here it is. I'm going to do Leonardo da Vinci's catapult. It's a working recreation of Leonardo da Vinci's 15th century catapult. It's all made out of wood and apparently it works. As you can see, it is still sealed, and I will attempt to open it real quick. Everything is still packaged up. So this is what I'm going to work on. Hopefully this is okay for the group build. I figured it's a little bit different, a little old school for artillery, but still an artillery piece. It's like some decent instructions. I'll have to go through them, but I can even fire it when I'm done, so maybe I'll do that on camera. We'll see what happens. All right. Yep, so there we go. Real quick video. This is my entry into the artillery group build. Leonardo da Vinci's catapult. English, tough sometimes. All right, everybody. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.